Hello students, welcome to my English class. Students, we covered SCP-1 and SCP-2 in our previous class. See the recapitulation. Number 1. Australia, the motherland of kangaroo. Number 2. How kangaroos get their name. Number 3. Kangaroos, marsupials, the babies are only 2 centimeters long while they burn. Number 4. There are various types and size of the kangaroos. For example, wallaby, forester. Number 5. Needed of its long powerful tail and hind leg. Now, let's read the SCP-3. You listen to me carefully. SCP-3, paragraph 5. What do kangaroos eat? They eat mainly vegetables. Generally, they live for 15 years. They often get together in groups called mobs. Many years ago, such mobs used to be made up of thousands of kangaroos. Nowadays, a mob of even 100 is unusually large. Paragraph 6. Like a dog or a bear, a kangaroo can be trained to do interesting things. Circus trainers sometimes teach kangaroos to box using gloves, and these interesting animals often become skillful circus performers. Now discuss SCP-3 in details. What do kangaroos eat? What do kangaroos eat? They eat mainly vegetables. Kangaroos eat mainly vegetables. Generally, they live for 15 years. They live for 15 years. They often get together in groups called mobs. Get together means gathered. They gathered in groups called mobs. Many years ago, such mobs used to be made up of thousands of kangaroos. Thousands of kangaroos gathered many years ago in mobs. Nowadays, a mob of even 100 is unusually large. Unusually means unexpected large. Paragraph 6. Like a dog or a bear, a kangaroo can be trained to do interesting things. A kangaroo can be trained to do interesting things as a dog or a bear. Circus trainers sometimes teach kangaroos to box using gloves. Okay? And these interesting animals often become skillful circus performers. Kangaroos perform skillfully in circus. So, they are very amusing animals. You must have understood well SCP-3. Now the time for comprehension questions. Number 1. What do kangaroos eat? Who can say? Yes, very good. Vegetables. Kangaroos eat vegetables. Number 2. How long do kangaroos live? Yes, they live for 15 years. Number 3. Kangaroos in groups are called mobs. number 4. What is the size of moth? The size of moth is 100. One hundred is unusually large. Then next, post-reading part. Comprehension activities. Number 1. Kangaroos are usually found in desk. Option: America, Africa, Australia, England. Correct one is Australia. Question number 2. Baby kangaroos are carried by their desk. Father, mother, brother, grandfather. Yes, answer is mother. Question number 3. Kangaroos eat mainly dash. Yes, vegetables. Question number 4. A group of kangaroos living together is called dash. Yes, answer is mobs. Complete the following diagram using ideas from the help box. Here is some keyword of SCP-1. Name, marsupials, babies. Name, marsupials, babies. The keyword of SCP-2: kinds, tail, hind leg. Kinds, tail, hind leg. The keyword of SCP-3: food. Here is food, mob, and circus. Circus. Okay? Next question. Write T for true statement and NT for a not true statement in box. Question 1. The word kangaroo means I don't know in English. Kangaroo means I don't know in their native language. So this is wrong, not true, and T. Okay? Question number 2. The pocket of skin is on the lower half of the mother kangaroo's body. Yes, this is true. Question number 3. 102,000 kangaroo live in a mob. Yes, this is correct. Question number 4. Kangaroo use its tail to balance itself when standing. Yes, this is correct answer. True. Question number 5. Kangaroos cannot train for circus. This is not true. Question number 6. A forester is bigger than wallaby. Yes, this is correct. Question number 7. Kangaroos live for 50 years. They live for 15 years. This is not true. Okay? Vocabulary part. Use dictionary and find out what the people of these countries are called. The people of Australia, what we call? Yes, Australian. The people of Germany is called German. The people of Japan is called Japanese. The people of America is called American. The people of Denmark is called Danish. Okay? Now the question. Match the words in A with their opposite words in B. The opposite of native. Here is some word. Native, famous, hind, danger, interesting, useful, strange. Safety, uninteresting, familiar, foreign, useless, infamous, for, front. The opposite of native. Yes, foreign. The opposite of famous. Infamous. Hind. The opposite of hind. For. Danger. Opposite of danger. Safety. Interesting. Uninteresting. Useful. Useless. Strange. Familiar. Okay? Join the following words and write them in the space provided. Sorrow plus full equal sorrowful. Spoon plus full, spoonful. Skill plus full, skillful. Hope plus full, hopeful. Forget plus full, forgetful. Will plus full, willful. Okay? Now the question. The sentences below are about kangaroo. One part of his sentence is under A and other part is under B. Put the number in brackets and match them. Number A. Kangaroos live mostly. Find in number B section. Kangaroos live mostly a long powerful tail, or then the wallaby and the forester in Australia. Yes, answer is in Australia. Second, mother kangaroos carries her babies in a pocket of skin, a long powerful tail, then the wallaby and the forester on her body. Yes, answer is on her body. Number 3. There are many kinds of kangaroos such as a long powerful tail, then the wallaby and the forester. Yes, the answer is the wallaby and the forester. Number 4. The forester is bigger. The forester is bigger than the wallaby. Number 5. A kangaroo has very large hind legs and a long powerful tail. Answer is a long powerful tail. Number 6. They help him in standing. Yes, the answer is jumping and leaping. Okay? What we have learned today? Today we have learned SGP3 of the kangaroo and comprehended it. Children, thank you. Bye bye.